Hello everybody, welcome to LeadTechX. Today we're going to be talking about something really exciting. It's going to help you in three ways. It's going to help you save energy, money, and most importantly, it's going to help you save the planet. So what is it? It's smart heating. Basically, your house heating network will connect to the internet using the smart heating system. It allows you to use heating more intelligently. So, what does it look like? This is the Tado smart system I have in my house. So you can see I can increase and decrease temperature using the touchpad here. Also, I can use the iPhone app to change the temperature remotely. You can see it going up and down without me changing it manually. To save your energy even more, you can use the smart radiator valves in both horizontal and vertical configuration. Click on the link above for smart heating full video.